Hey there, digital explorers! What if you could craft a bunch of push notifications that were automatically sent to your push subscribers over a period of time? My name is Nicole, and I am a customer success manager at Webpushr. Today, I am going to explain our Journey Builder feature that can help you do just that. Imagine a Webpushr drip campaign as a series of pre-written push messages sent at regular intervals. Day 1, a warm welcome. Day 3, a super helpful tip. Day 10, a sweet discount. And the list goes on. Setting something like this is super simple with our Journey Builder feature. All you need is to select a segment, craft a series of push notifications, and set up time intervals between them. Time intervals can be a few hours or multiple days. It's all customizable. So you might be wondering, why do publishers love our Journey Builder feature? Firstly, it's like having a robot assistant. Once you set up a journey, we do all the work for you, making sure they are executed as defined and providing you detailed performance reports along the way. Secondly, it's personalized. Just like how no two raindrops are the same, no two push notifications need to be the same. By understanding who's receiving the message, you can make sure it hits just the right spot. And of course, it's about gently guiding potential customers, kind of like a best friend nudging you towards that last slice of pizza. Before you jump into using this feature, keep a few things in mind. Number 1, know your goal. Are you welcoming new friends or sharing exclusive deals with old ones? Number 2, segment and personalize, like sending a special birthday card to your BFF. Number 3, be engaging. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Number 4, test the waters. Maybe your Tuesday push messages are a hit, but Thursdays not so much. Adapt and refine. And lastly, be respectful. If someone isn't feeling your vibes, let them dance away. Always allow them to opt out. Well, there you have it, folks. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more digital showers.